Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the for most web browsers in your REALME Pad Mini. So the first one is Opera. In this web browser we have to click on this little tab icon, switch to the private and add a tab on this red plus. That's it. The next one, Firefox. If you see this welcoming screen, just click here. If the background is purple, that means you are in the Incognito Mode. But if you have any tab open it, click on the tab icon, switch to zero mask and click on the plus private. The next one, Microsoft Edge. In this web browser we have to click here on the three dot icon and choose new in private tab. That's it. And the last one, Google Chrome. In this web browser just click here on the three dot icon, switch to the new Incognito tab, and now in the Incognito Mode your history, cookies files, completed forms, even the learned words from the keyboard will be not saved on your device. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.